Get right up
Go,
close.
go. Look, Tyler, go. Blow really hard.
You gotta direct that pointer better.
He's gonna pass out.
You can do it. Keep going.
I don't think these cupcakes should be edible. There's so much wax on there.
There you go.
Do it again. Come on,
One more.
He's got the giggles.
You're not supposed to drown them out. Blow them out.
Blow on it. Come on, blow on it. You gotta blow on it. Come on. I don't want the giggles. Okay, make it blow it. Come on. Come on, blow it. Come on, you're gonna burn your face. You're blowing so. There you go.
Hey, you got it.
He hiccuped going in there.
Good job, Bugger. Cheese.